Hi, my name is Troy Bertelson.
And I'm Shelby Kenning.
We're here to tell you about our upcoming Power of Connection workshop. In this course are the tools to improve and deepen your connections with anyone in your life.
In addition, you'll also learn how to inhabit your authentic self. And from there, experience the space created by listening and speaking without judgment, from which almost anything is possible.
By the end of the course, you will learn a practice of tools and skills that can empower you to hang in there, even in your most difficult conversations.
We're holding a free preview session where you'll have an experience of what it is like to be in the course and to hear from us and our team about how we have used these tools effectively in our own lives.
To find out more, we are both available so you can get a better idea to see if this course is a fit for you in your life right now.
Please contact us by email, and here's a link to register where you will find all the details and logistics for the course.
We look forward to seeing you on Zoom May 6th to begin your adventure in becoming the calmest voice in any conversation in which you choose to participate. See you then.